Assalamu alaikum student. Today our topic is Newland octave. Think how elements were arranged in the form of periodic table and who contributed in this arrangement. Today's objectives are to understand work of Newland and law of octaves. You already know that the O'Brien arranged elements in triads according to their increasing masses and studied similarities in their chemical properties. Afterward, Cannizzaro devised a method for measuring relative atomic masses in 1860. Newland. He was a British chemist. In 1864, he attempted to organize 62 elements after studying the work of O'Brien and Cannizzaro, and then he put forward the law of octave. What would be the law of octave? Law of octave. Every eighth element had properties similar to the first element when elements were arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses. For example, when he arranged the elements according to their increasing masses, he studied that sodium, which was the eighth element, has similar chemical properties like lithium. Similarly, magnesium had similar chemical properties like beryllium. He compared this arrangement with the musical notes. These musical notes are also known as octave. Defects in Newland's law. This law could be applied only up to calcium. For elements heavier than calcium, this law was not applicable. No space was left for undiscovered elements. In this arrangement, some elements were grouped in such a way that their chemical properties were not similar. For example, cobalt and nickel were placed in a group which contained fluorine and chlorine, but their chemical properties were not similar, just like fluorine and chlorine. Let's have a review. We have studied work of Newland and law of octaves. Homework time. Learn and write the question, how Newland arranged the elements. That's all for today's lecture.